Hey, happy Oktoberfest! My name is Esther, I'm from META-INF, and we invented a little drinking game for you to play. I invited some of my colleagues. So our little drinking game is the following. We picked these words, and whenever I say it, these guys have to drink. We think Glass is a great app for Jira admins. Why? Because you can enable your users to explore Jira on their own, but also it helps you to overview all the project documentation that you need. If you open Glass, you get this general view of your project. It's very important to note that it's only project-oriented, not global-oriented. So you open it and you can see a quick overview of your basic summary, your class overview and your components. Then if you head over to schemes, you can just see every permission and notification and workflows and everything. We all know that schemes are a hard nut to crack, so we just kind of made it easier for you. This is also very helpful if you have a Jira user who is asking all the questions about their permissions, their notifications, their everything. You can just hand over this app and they can open it and they can see it for themselves. Other thing for Jira admins is very important. If you're in a highly auditable company, you have to give project documentation, right? So we just automated that for you. If you click to export as, you can export it as PDF and as Confluence. So you can export it to the Confluence page, and this way you can track the versions of your this way you can just track the versions of your project documentation. That's great, right? The other thing is, as a Jira admin, you might have questions from your colleagues from time to time, which can be exhausting, or but they are asking it. It's fine that they are asking it. They're only asking it because they just don't know. They don't have the opportunity to learn these features, anything. So you can just give them the opportunity to view them in Glass. And also, when you're configuring a project, for example, you're migrating to the cloud, you can just create a snapshot at your server instance, and then you can just download it via clicking on this cloud icon, and then upload it to your Jira Cloud instance. Then you just compare these two project configuration. So this is the high-level comparison, and if you want to compare it on the low level, you just click here. You just click here. On the low-level comparison, you click proceed, and then there you go. You can just see it where everything is. Thanks everyone for following along. I hope it's very useful. Jira admins, cheers. Oh.